Hi there, students. Rigorous, an adjective. Rigorously, the adverb. And rigor, the noun. Notice the Americans spell it O-R and the British spell it O-U-R for the noun rigor. Okay, if somebody is rigorous, they are careful to look at every part of something. They do something very carefully to make certain that everything is correct, that everything is safe. So I want you to pay rigorous attention to detail. Yeah, the technicians checked the system rigorously. Okay, so rigorous, extremely thorough, extremely careful. So there are rigorous controls about what you can do. Very meticulous, very tough, very severe as well. He rigorously follows the diet that the doctor gave him very strictly, yeah, following exactly a system or a belief. Yeah, he's a rigorous vegan and makes sure that everything he eats follows the vegan principles. The training course to join the army is very rigorous. It's very harsh, very hard, very demanding. Okay, so a rigorous test is very thorough, very strict. Yeah, they have a very rigorous training system. The selection process is very rigorous. Okay, he controls the amount of money spent in the company rigorously. He's very rigorous about that. He's very scrupulous. So I want you to rigorously check that everything is absolutely okay. Okay, so following strict standards, following strict methods, yeah, to be very thorough. Okay, so he followed the doctor's medication plan rigorously. If you're a scientist, you need to be very rigorous in your research. You need to do it exactly and follow strict guidelines. Okay, we had a very rigorous training schedule, very demanding, very harsh. You could even call a climate rigorous, yeah, rather unpleasant. Okay, he's always rigorously honest with everything that he does. Okay, so rigorous discipline. If you're an accountant, you need to be very accurate, very rigorous with your bookkeeping. The laws in some country are very rigorous, or they're very rigorously applied. Okay, so strict, hard, demanding, challenging, tough. The opposite of easy, weak, permissive. Yeah, or very thorough, very meticulous, very painstaking, very scrupulous, conscientious, and punctilious. You need to take rigorous care with this to make sure that nothing is wrong. Okay, it needs to be exact. You need to be uncompromising and very rigorous about doing this. Okay, so rigorous. This is a good adjective. When doing in mathematics, you need to be rigorous with every step. Yeah, to make sure that you do everything exactly correctly. So the opposite of this would be lax, without a great deal of control, inaccurate, flexible. Yeah, I think rigorous, the opposite of flexible about things. So the rigorous application of the rules. You need a rigorous approach to science. They made rigorous checks to make sure that everything was fine. As she has diabetes, she needs to follow a rigorous diet. Um, they enforce the law rigorously. Rigorous exercise is a good workout at the gym. I made rigorous preparations for the event. Okay, so rigorous. Let's see, formality. I think I would probably give this 5.5 in formality. I would say you could use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin rigorosus. Um, rigor from rigeo, to be rigid. Okay, so yeah, if somebody is rigorous, they rigidly follow the the rules, for example. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I hope I've been rigorous in my explanation. Um, Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Rigorousness, rigor, rigorously.